In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit portraits in Darktable. We'll start right from the beginning in the light table view. Bring in your raw portrait by importing the file so you have the maximum flexibility for color and detail. Once it appears in your library grid, double-click the image to open it in the darkroom. This is where you'll do the actual editing, and it's designed for a smooth scene-referred workflow that keeps your tones clean and natural. Begin with exposure. Your goal is simple. Make sure the face is well lit without blowing out highlights. Use the exposure module's main slider to nudge the overall brightness up or down until skin looks luminous but controlled. Keep an eye on the histogram and highlight warnings to avoid clipping, especially on the forehead, cheeks, and nose. Subtle movements are best. Tiny adjustments can make a big difference. If the background gets bright while you lift the face, that's okay for now. We're prioritizing the subject's skin and expression. Next, refine the color balance so skin looks true to life. In the color calibration or white balance module, aim for neutral, flattering tones. If the portrait feels too cool, warm it up slightly by raising the temperature. If it's too orange, nudge it cooler, or adjust the tint toward magenta or green until the skin breathes naturally. Use your visual judgment over strict numbers. Skin should look healthy, not gray or overly saturated. If you have a neutral area in the image, sampling it can help, but always confirm by looking at the face. Now shape the overall contrast and dynamic range with filmic RGB, which gives you film-like tone mapping. Start by setting the white and black relative exposures so highlights roll off smoothly and shadows aren't crushed. Then fine-tune contrast to add depth without harshness, and adjust latitude to protect important details in both bright and dark areas. Filmic's strength is in balancing bright highlights with gentle shadows, so take your time to find a pleasing, natural curve that keeps the face dimensional and soft. Throughout these adjustments, zoom in to 100% whenever you're working on skin or fine details. Viewing at this magnification helps you judge texture, pores, and subtle color shifts accurately and prevents over-editing that might look fine when zoomed out but unnatural up close. Pan around the face as you work and toggle modules on and off briefly to sense their impact. When you're satisfied, you'll have a clean, well-balanced portrait with natural brightness, honest skin tones, and a filmic, polished finish, all achieved with just a few core tools in Darktable.